The best carrot cake with pineapple that you'll ever make. The cake is super tender, moist, and infused with amazing spices. It's topped with creamy, tangy cream cheese frosting to bring all the wonderful flavors together. And as a bonus, this recipe uses way less sugar than the other typical recipes out there. Stay with me and I'll show you how easy it is to make this delicious carrot cake. I'm Bea from El Mundo Eats. Let's get baking. It's perfect. You should try it.
Okay, our dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. And here's our amazing spices: 2 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of clove. These spices are amazing. They add a subtle spice cake flavor without overpowering our carrot cake. Let's mix everything well, and we're gonna set this aside for a bit. And now our wet ingredients: 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of oil of your choice, and 4 large eggs at room temperature.
Carrot cake is the first cake ever that I made for Marco. One time he had to travel to Italy for a week and I stayed alone in Spain. I barely spoke Spanish back then, but I went out to buy the ingredients anyway. So I made the cake and I surprised him with it when he came back home. What's the first cake that you bake? Tell me in the comments below.
Okay, so what I'm doing here is just mixing the dry and the wet ingredients.
A tip for you: once you mix the dry and the wet, never overmix the batter because then you'll avoid getting hard and dense cake. Remember, less is more.
Now the rest of the ingredients: 2 cups of shredded carrots, 1 cup of drained crushed pineapple, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and my secret, half cup of desiccated coconut. Now let's just fold everything together. Since we have baking soda in our batter, we need to bake this right away. I'm using 9x13-inch pan that have been buttered. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes. What we want to do now is leave the cake to cool completely before we make the frosting. For our cream cheese frosting, we're going to use half cup of butter at room temperature. Now we're going to whisk until it's light and fluffy. We're going to add 12 ounces of cream cheese that's also at room temperature. Just continue whisking until you see everything is well combined. Gradually add 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar. Don't forget 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to your taste. This cream cheese frosting is perfect to frost any carrot cake, and I just simply love the tangy touch that it has. There you go, delicious carrot cake with pineapple for you to make. As always, written printable recipes on our website elmundoeats.com. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.